one thing almost all Americans agree on. Pizza is awesome. 43 million of us will eat it today. And with 34 million ways to order it, what's not to love? It's so good, 53% of us would choose cold pizza for breakfast over actual breakfast food. Sure, we may have our differences when it comes to toppings and styles, but together we eat about 100 acres of pizza a day. And now, no matter if you're in the 64% who prefer thin crust or the 14% who like it thick, you can make it your way at home. Meet the Trattoria Pizza Oven from GE Profile, inspired by world-famous pizzeria ovens, engineered for your kitchen. It combines intense heat with precision sensor monitoring for brick-fired flavor right from the range. So your homemade pizza is always 100.